Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make account private on Spotify. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to make account private on Spotify, first of all open up the Spotify mobile application. Once you do open up the Spotify mobile application, now what you need to do is at the top left is your profile, tap on it and tap on your profile again. Once you're in the profile, go in the three dots, tap on settings and privacy at the last option. Go in your account and you can see there is this option. If I go in the privacy and social, scroll down and just turn off this followers and following. Once you turn off this followers and following, that is how you can simply create your account as private on your Spotify and no one should be able to follow you on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.